Happy 2021. So today I'm wearing my bullfighting dress. Yes, I'm assuming that you have one as well. I don't really know anyone that doesn't have a bullfighting dress. Anyways, so why am I wearing this amazing outfit? Well, upon reflection of 2020, I feel like 2020 was kind of like a bullfight, right? If you opened up the newspaper, it was like a bull running at you with bad news. So get that red cape out, dodge it. You know, coronavirus, dodge it. All these horrible things, dodge, 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 dodge. 2021. Okay, here we are. We made it. We made it through the 2020 gauntlet. So 2021, I want to talk to you guys about what I'm thinking about doing with this channel, ask you guys for some feedback, and really just give you an overview of what to expect this year to see if you want to stay subscribed, or if you're not a subscriber, do you want to subscribe? I think the key word is subscribe. Yes, I watched a YouTube video. I'm supposed to say that 32 times. Subscribe. Anyways, okay, so here's what we're going to be covering this year. And why. So we're going to start Money Monday. Yes, Money Monday is not going to be mortgage specific. It's going to be about Finance 101, the basics that I feel you should have been taught in high school, you should have been taught in college, your parents should have taught you, but they didn't. They didn't, and that's what I see so much in our country. And I'm licensed in 46 states, and it's not like I see one state that needs more financial education than the other. We all need it. I know I needed it when I got out of college. I wasn't taught about finance in high school or college or by my parents. I came out like totally lost with terrible ideas about money, and I paid for it dearly early on. But through everything that I've heard from my clients over the years, you know, all the books that I've read, I thought, you know what, let's do a little Finance 101 this year. Alyssa on my team is going to be helping. Alyssa is so good with money. Oh my God, she can stretch a penny like for miles. And I know this because Alyssa is a former client and I've seen her bank statements. That girl can save. And so for anyone that's like, I can't save, I have no extra money. Yeah, meet Alyssa, she'll tell you how. So we're going to be doing that on Monday, and then we're going to stick with our VA Wednesday because we've seen such amazing positivity from that. And I'm actually going to talk about that tomorrow. I'm going to talk about a couple of the saves that we did at the end of December that really, to me, it's that type of stuff that keeps me going. I love what we do, but more importantly, I love being able to make a difference. So I want to talk to you about those scenarios so that you can watch out for them if you are a veteran or active military member looking for a loan. And then on Thursday, we're going to be talking about first-time homebuyer stuff. You know, all that stuff that people are scared about or stressed out about, because buying a house can be really scary and overwhelming. And the bottom line is, guys, you're not going to necessarily get a ton of education from your lender, especially this year. So as we move more towards online, right, that takes away a layer of education. As we move into an even busier year, like I feel like 2021 is going to be busier than 2020. And 2020 was crazy. So we really want to make sure you're educated, you're confident, you're empowered, you feel like you know what you're getting into, and most importantly, you have enough information so that you don't put yourself in that house poor situation, which I try to steer people away from as much as possible. You know, if I'm on the phone with you and I'm like, look, really, honestly, like this is not a good idea, it means you're about to bankrupt yourself. So we're going to be talking about all of that. If you guys think I'm missing something, please tell me. Or if there's something you want to see, if you're like, hey, Jen, can you put this on the list for this year? Or what about this? Or this is something I've always wondered. Please chime in. If it's something I know, I will do a video on it, okay? So I really appreciate you guys watching. Questions, comments, I'm here for you. Please just leave them in the comments. And then if you want to schedule a time to speak, my calendar is in the body of every single video, guys. We try to make it really easy where you can just schedule a time to speak. And I do prefer that to emails, just because sometimes I get these emails and they're like 7 pages and I just don't, I don't have the ability to read 7 pages of it's so much easier to talk on the phone because then I can ask questions and really get to the nitty gritty of it. So there's a link to my calendar. If you click it, you're either going to talk with myself, Alyssa, or Julie. All wonderful. We all have the same philosophy on lending and borrowing and really just making sure your financial future is safe and secure. So I appreciate you guys watching. See you tomorrow.